Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide our phone number in Signal. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to hide our phone number. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see your profile picture right there. Click on it right now. Once you guys click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Now from here, as you guys can see, there are a multitude of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as Privacy. Click on it, and this is it guys. From here, the very first thing that you're gonna see is phone number. Well, do note that there are other options as well, like screen locks and everything. But right now, simply click on the very first button, that is phone number. And that is it. As you guys can see, I have already hidden my phone number. As you guys can see, who can see my phone number? No one. Who can find me by my number? Nobody. And guys, that is it. That's how we hide your phone number completely in Signal. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.